Hola y bienvenidos a Daily Spanish with Josefina, the course that will help you take your Spanish to the next level. Mi nombre es Josefina y soy tu profe de español. You can find me on Instagram or Facebook as Spanish with Josefina and visit my website SpanishWithJosefina.com to find out more about me and what I offer. Today, I want to talk to you about this course, Daily Spanish with Josefina, how it works, and how you can make the most of it. Before we begin, I would like to introduce you to a phrase by Daniel Walter in his book, The Power of Discipline. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. I think this phrase is really powerful. Because as you probably know, learning a new language takes a lot of effort and discipline. So here I bring you a place to practice every day and get that discipline going, if that makes sense. So, what is your Spanish learning goal? If you're a bit like me, you probably love traveling around, discovering new places and cultures, and you probably really want to speak with people in their native language. At least that's what I wanted when I was learning English. And I would come to websites like this one called Lenguajero, which unfortunately doesn't exist anymore, to practice my speaking, my writing, my reading skills, my listening skills, everything. And it was so amazing because people would come in here and help me by correcting my mistakes. So I thought, why not create something similar? A place for people, for learners of Spanish, to come and practice together doing different activities to enhance all skills. So I created these groups: Spanish from Zero, Yo Hablo Español, and Español para Entendidos. They are all divided by level. This creates a path for you to follow, and I will be there to guide you. How will this help you? Well, all of the activities I offer will be focused on writing, reading, listening, or speaking. I will also be offering activities to translate and to learn more about cultures of the world. You will be part of a community of Spanish learners, and you will get my feedback, not only on your writing, but on your speaking, your pronunciation, and I'll be available for any question you have. All of this will train your brain to think in Spanish, build your vocabulary, improve your comprehension, improve grammar and sentence structure, and boost your confidence. Eventually, you will be able to communicate effectively. How can you join? First of all, you need to download Telegram. Once you're there, you will talk with me about which of these groups best suits you, depending on your level. I will show you an example now of one of the activities you can do, which is listen to an audio and answer to a question related to it. So this is in the channel Español from Zero.
Dos. Yo estudio francés porque mi novio es canadiense, vive en Quebec y estoy por ir a visitar a su familia, conocer a sus amigos.
And by clicking on the comments, you can add your answer. And I will be correcting you as it shows there. You can get started today for free. Just leave me a message below this video. Tell me that you want to join and I will send you the link. Muchísimas gracias por tu tiempo y por ver este video. Espero verte en los grupos y ayudarte a mejorar tu español. Nos vemos. Chao, chao.